Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andrea Ali. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Paris, and in today's video I'm going to talk about my absolute favorite product from 15 brands. I don't know exactly who started like this trend, but I thought that it's very interesting because even my family and my close friends, when they travel in the US and they call me and they're like, okay, I'm in front of Marc Jacobs, what do you recommend from them? And then I realized, what if some of you are like that? And I thought I should just put this video out there. It was very, very hard to pick one product from each brand. Like, that's torture. No further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna start with Armani, and there is no surprise in here because you guys know I love their Luminous Silk Foundation. I've started my channel, I think, using the Luminous Foundation, and it's my absolute favorite product from Armani. They really have amazing products. I love their concealers, I love their eye tints, but I think that if I were to pick one product, it would be Luminous Silk. Next brand is Tarte. If I were to pick one product from Tarte, it would be the concealer again. There is no surprise. So I'm not gonna keep on talking about this product because you've seen me using it in a lot of my videos, and it's really a great concealer. Tom Ford. Although Tom Ford is well known for the lipsticks, I agree, amazing lipsticks. I personally, if I had to choose one product from the brand, it would be, of course, the Shade and Illuminate, which is a product that I've been using and talking about in my videos again. The reason why I like this product so much is because it does not add any sort of coverage. It's very sheer. It can be applied on bare skin. If you have beautiful skin, you don't need foundation, you could apply this on bare skin. It contours beautifully, and again, if you have beautiful skin, you could actually use this highlighter right here. I don't have amazing skin, so that does not work for me very well. Fenty. It's a little torture for me to pick one product from Fenty because Fenty Beauty, for me, it's such a complete brand. It has so many great products. If I have to pick one, it would be the cream blush. I'm wearing this cream blush. I became addicted to this product. It's one of my favorites for many reasons. I love the texture. I love how it spreads, the range of colors. As a makeup artist, for me, it's not, I mean, it has started definitely to be a very popular product, cream blushes, but they didn't used to be. And you would have like just a few colors. Now you have such a huge range in Fenty. They have 11 colors, but very, very close to that would be the Gloss Bomb. Again, I'm wearing this color right now. I'm sorry that I'm breaking the rules, but I have to mention the Gloss Bomb. If you guys have not tried, especially the Fenty Glow, this is the color Fenty Glow. This suits absolutely every skin tone. It looks beautiful on everybody. I don't care the color of your skin, this will look amazing. It smells amazing, and it plumps your lips like immediately almost. Chanel. Lately, Chanel has changed a lot in the way the brand looks and the products that they make, and I'm glad to see a little bit more diversity. But if I were to pick one product that for me it's like iconic and it works and I love it every single time I use it, it's the Soleil Tan de Chanel. This is a bronzing base that I absolutely love. It looks beautiful on top of foundation or on bare skin to give you that healthy, bronzy look. Shiseido. It was so hard, so hard, because there are two products in particular that I'm obsessed with, and one is the Cinco Skin Glow Foundation. You will not find more glowy foundation than that one. However, the product that, if I were to choose like one product that I think no other brand has, would be their Minimalist Whipped Powder blush because of their versatility. You could apply them on the cheeks, you could apply them on the eyes. They have the texture of a cream product, but actually when you apply it, you realize that it's powder. Again, it looks beautiful on bare skin or on top of foundation. My favorite color from them is Sonoya 01 if you're looking for a real blush color. If you're looking for more of a bronzy, just something to warm up your skin look, for Ico. Great color. By Terry, very hard to pick because there are a few products that I really like. Two of them are just fantastic. I love their Hyaluronic Hydra foundation. It's one of my go-to foundations actually for a beautiful natural look. But I think their brightening CC serum, it's one of a kind. And this is the product that I choose from the brand, and I will explain why. This is something that you can, again, wear it on its own, all over the face, alone, or mix it with your moisturizer. Or you could apply it before your foundation, and it has a very natural shine. You get this in 4 different colors. It just gives you a very luminous skin. Dior. The first thing that comes in my mind when I think about Dior is this palette. This is their contour palette. I know it's pretty much sold out everywhere, and it's not surprising to me because this does everything. If I have no other bronzing powders and no contours, this would be enough. I would be fine to only have this. You have bronzer and you have contour, and then you can mix them. This one is matte right here, but this one has a little bit of shimmer to it. So if you mix them together, you get like a custom bronzer. So easy to blend. I mean, I love this palette. Charlotte Tilbury. Is there any product from Charlotte Tilbury that you would not love? It's the bombshell. It's the darling brand that when you say Charlotte Tilbury, you say, you know, very sexy, very glamorous, very intimate. But the one product that, like, close my eyes and I'm like, single product that I want to use from the brand would be the Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter. This is my second one. For me to finish a product, I mean, it means something. I rarely finish makeup products just because I get to test so much. Amazing. And it comes in different colors now. This speaks my language. I am wearing it right now. It looks incredible. Jouer, I have like an inner battle because there are actually 2 products that I love so much from Jouer, and the first one would be the concealer. Concealer is one of a kind. I don't just love their consistency. Their concealers are having hyaluronic acid in them, so they are very like creamy and hydrating, but also their colors. When I have to cover melasma, I would go towards this. However, I mean, you cannot talk about Jouer without talking about their Molten Glow highlighter. This is fantastic. On top of the Beauty Light Wand from Charlotte Tilbury, today I've applied a tiny little bit of the Molten Glow from Jouer to give me like extra glow. Pat McGrath. I love this brand for their eyeshadows in particular. However, don't sleep on their concealer, their foundation, but also a product that I don't talk about very often is their lipsticks. You guys, if you like Lisa Eldridge lipstick, I mean, I hate to compare brands, but I have to for the subject. Pat McGrath lipsticks are very, very, very similar to Lisa Eldridge, or Lisa Eldridge similar to Pat McGrath. I don't want to get into details. I'm just saying that they're very, very similar in terms of finish, texture. Yeah, I mean, the packaging is also incredible. I'm telling you, eyeshadows, lipsticks, fantastic. When I think about Marc Jacobs, I'm thinking about their pencils. This is how I keep my pencils, and the ones that I use the most, no doubt, are the highliners. Marc Jacobs pencils, and I'm talking especially about the colorful ones, because black and brown, a lot of brands make good pencils. But when it comes to colorful pencils, a lot of the times with long-lasting pencils, you will find that when you glide once, twice in the same place, it starts to like crack. That does not happen with the Marc Jacobs pencils. Surat Beauty makes the most amazing eyeliner for myself. When I say for myself, I prefer to use like different eyeliners for clients, but when it comes to like personal use, it's called autographique eyeliner. My skin is not very tight, especially at the outer corner. The skin is like wrinkly. I need something that when I touch the skin, it could really like mark easily. A lot of them, they're great, you know, when I apply it on perfect skin. Like there are really great eyeliners out there. However, they don't have this easiness. Like right now, I am wearing this eyeliner and I am obsessed with it. Victoria Beckham. I love this brand for their lip liners. Their lip liners are exquisite. I am a huge lip liner lover, as you guys know. So for me, it's a big deal when I find a good one. And Victoria Beckham definitely has it. Makeup Forever. I was in between Reboot Foundation, which I absolutely love, and the Rouge Artist lipstick. And the lipstick wins. I made a whole video about these lipsticks. I love for example, just a quick comparison, Pat McGrath. Just try it, even if you try it in store, on your hand. If you could do that, I know it's hard right now. But you cannot compare the easiness of applying a lipstick with the Makeup Forever, the way the Makeup Forever bullet is cut, and the way Pat McGrath is cut. It's just, you have such precision with this lipstick. It's insane. You don't need a lip liner to go with. It has a beautiful, super comfortable formula. It's even a little bit more hydrating than Pat McGrath. And so much pigment and 60 colors to choose from. I mean, truly an amazing product, this one. I was thinking this is going to be a 15 brands kind of video, but it's impossible not to talk about a few other brands that I absolutely love, and they have iconic products like Glossier. It's the brow flick. I'm wearing it right now. I'm wearing it every day. Great, great, great product. I love it. I'm using the color brown. Laura Mercier, the best tinted moisturizers, hands down. Laura Mercier. No one does tinted moisturizers the way this brand does. That one is amazing. But then how can I talk about Laura Mercier without talking about the iconic powder that I use almost every day? Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Here. The product. NARS. I mean, don't kill me. I think this is discontinued. Else, I mean, I would have loved to use this every day in every single one of my tutorials. But this palette, this is the Wanted palette. The perfect color. The perfect palette. Range of the colors, the pigment, the size of the palette. Everything about this palette is perfection. Alright guys, and this was it. I don't know how many brands I've mentioned, but hopefully you enjoyed this video. There are definitely a lot more other brands that I could talk about. You know what? Next time, can we change the rules? Can I make the rules? Because I would like to mention two of each. That would be more accurate, more fair. In my description box, you will find all the products that I've mentioned. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. And now I wanted to talk about Natasha Denona. What are you doing? You don't understand. Let me go back. Who do you think you are? Look at him. You decided to wear this sweater today. Okay.
Upgrading the sound, babe.
My sound is fine. Isn't my sound fine? Tell him that the sound is fine, okay?